Roots Hair Clinic, Bangladesh. Today we have famous sports person with us, Mr. Jamal Bhuiyan, football team captain, Bangladesh. Hello,
Hi.
Mr. Jamal, how are you?
Hi, Dr. Nilesh. It's a pleasure to be here.
So, regarding hair loss problems, hair fall problems, nowadays it has been very much increased in the age starting from your 20s. Previously, it would have started at age of 40s, 50s, but now the youngsters are getting the problem and no one can get out of it. So, Mr. Jamal also made 2 months before for his hair problems. So, I just suggested him some treatments and hair transplant surgery. So today we are with him for his hair transplant surgery in New Roots Hair Clinic, Bangladesh. Let's discuss something which is very important regarding hair loss problems and hair fall problems from Mr. Jamal. So Mr. Jamal, I would like to hear what are the problems of hair fall and hair loss you are facing and what difficulties you face and in day to day or in spite of good physical activities and all the things.
No, as you said, as the hair loss is, the younger we are nowadays, the easier we lose our hair. I think it's because of maybe some stress or some other factors, but for me personally, I don't like to lose my hair. That's why I came to New Roots Clinic. I've been here one time before where I had some questions, and Dr. Nilesh, he perfectly answered those questions, and he also showed me some of his clients, and I was very satisfied when I came here first time. So that's why I came here today to do the hair transplantation. And I've seen his staff, all of his staff are from India, and they're very skillful people. So I'm very pleased, and I am in good hands. I want to say that I'm in good hands, and I'm looking forward to the hair transplantation.
Okay, so let's start our surgery for hair transplant. All the best, good luck.
Thank you.
কেমন লাগতেছে?
একটু ভয় লাগতেছে।
So we are back again after 6 hours of hair transplant surgery of Mr. Jamal Bhuiyan. So let's ask about the experience of his surgery.
Thank you, doctor. I was very comfortable. I think the surgery went very good. Before the surgery, I had some doubts about the pain, the injection. I was afraid of the injections, but I didn't feel any pain, and I was very surprised because my friends, 6-7 of them, they went to Turkey, and all of them said the injection before the actually surgery was very painful, but honestly I didn't feel any pain, and I was very surprised. So for me it was a perfect surgery for me because there was no pain for me. I expected a lot of pain, to be honest, but no pain, and I'm very happy with the result.
Okay, great. So what about your hairline and density? What you thought and what you saw now and what you can share your experience
So
regarding that?
yeah, I wanted a straight hairline, and after the surgery, when I saw the result, I was very happy with the result because the hairline was as I wanted, and the craft they put into my hair was exactly where the missing spots were. So for me, I couldn't ask for more.
Yes, so we have designed and we have planned the surgery in the way which will give you the highest density and the natural look, and no one will be able to recognize.
I think that's what I want also, that people can see that it's natural hair and they won't say anything to my new hair. But for me, I came here for that, and hopefully it's gonna be like that, and I expect it to be like that. So thank you so much, doctor.
Yes, welcome. See you again after 6 months with his results. Take care. Bye bye.